Work with me, guys, as I trade boom 500 live on this video. So I'm gonna be using 10 lot size. I'll be taking 10 lot size twice. So I place my buy now. So guys, I'm using this strategy. I'm using the spike catching strategy, which I have taught you guys on this page. I'm also going to be sharing with you how I am using this strategy on this video. So do wait to watch to the end of this video so that you will learn and see how I trade with this strategy and make money live. So in case you don't know what we're trading synthetic indices. You can only find it on this broker Deriv. Yeah, so click on the link at the description of this video to create an account. So this is crash 500 index. This is on 5-minute time frame. It is really on a bullish trend. Looking at 50-minute time frame, price has changed character, also going bullish. So I'm just going to wait. But moreover, looking at it from 1-minute time frame, it has crossed above, which is indicating that we can now say this crash 500 index. So let's see. So due to the higher time frame, the 15-minute and 5-minute time frame completely changing character to bullish, I won't be taking that one. But on crash on boom 1000, you can see on 1-minute time frame, it has also given me the condition for a buy. So I'll take a buy on boom 1000. Then let me check crash 1000. So like I said, I'm going to be trading crash 1000, boom 1000, crash 500 and boom 500 on using this strategy. So for crash 1000, I'm also going to be placing a sell. Yes, I've placed a sell on crash 1000 index. But this crash 500 index, I am also going to place a sell though, because I'm seeing a resistance level at the top there, and 1-minute time frame strategy is also giving me a sell. So guys, I'm going to place a sell on this crash 1000 index, on this crash 500 index, sorry. So I just placed a sell on all 4 of them, and immediately we got a spike from crash 500 index. So this crash gave me a black bar. That means I'm going to wait for another spike. Yes, I'm going to wait for another spike. So guys, let's wait. Let's wait. I know we'll get another spike, because once it gives me a black bar at the bottom there, means that I'm expecting another spike. So this is how this strategy works. This is how this strategy works. It's a good strategy, guys. You can beautiful, guys. Another spike gotten. You can see what I'm saying. We've gotten another beautiful spike again. I show a black bar, it gave me another spike. So this is how we use the strategy. So profits, 75 profits on crash 500 index. So I can decide to either close everything and go away with my 30 plus $32 profit. And so you get, so these are, once you see on 1-minute time frame the red line cross above that black line at the overbought level, you can sell crash. Then for boom, once you see the otherwise, okay guys, this has turned green, so this means that I should close. You see the bar is no longer black, it is now green. It means that I am not expecting another spike. So what do? I'm going to close that trade. That's just how it works. So you should do well to always pay attention to this. Pay attention to this. Don't be greedy. Once you see the condition of the strategy is against you, please don't take it. Follow the conditions. So that's it. So I'm also going to be closing these other trades that I took, because there is no point waiting again, because I can see they are all trending. That is pushing towards the direction against the spike massively. So I'm going to be closing them too, so that I just go out with my profit of $30. So guys, thank you for watching this video. This is Forex Success. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button.